Welcome to the City of Sails, Auckland, New Zealand. In this walking tour, we're exploring the vibrant heart of the city, starting right here at the beautiful Waterfront. Our journey begins at the Britomart Precinct, a beautiful blend of heritage architecture and modern design. The centerpiece is the historic Chief Post Office, now transformed into the city's bustling main transport hub. Step into Te Komititanga, the vibrant public square where the city's energy truly converges. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now, let's head towards the gleaming towers of the newly developed Commercial Bay. The PwC Tower dominates the skyline here, a symbol of Auckland's bold urban transformation. Explore the open-air laneways, where luxury retail meets world-class dining in a seamless urban flow. The design here is incredible, weaving Maori cultural motifs into the very fabric of the modern buildings. Just a short stroll away, the atmosphere shifts as we reach the iconic Waitematā Harbour. Home to international super yachts and a buzzing social scene, this was the heart of the 2000 America's Cup. It's the perfect spot to stop for a coffee or a meal while watching the boats go by in the marina. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The New Zealand Maritime Museum nearby tells the epic story of our nation's deep seafaring heritage. Cross the Tawero Bridge, a unique opening bridge that connects us to the vibrant Wynyard Quarter. Looking up, you can't miss the landmark that truly defines Auckland's skyline. The Sky Tower stands at a staggering 328 meters tall, making it a must-visit for every traveler. From the observation decks, you get a breathtaking 360-degree view, stretching over 80 kilometers. You can see the sparkling Hauraki Gulf to the east and the rugged Waitematā Ranges to the west. For those seeking a thrill, there's always the heart-pounding sky jump or the skywalk around the exterior. Or simply enjoy a gourmet meal at the revolving restaurant as the entire city turns beneath you. Fun fact, the water used to come all the way inland to where these historic buildings stand today. Much of the downtown area we've walked through is actually built on massive land reclamation projects. Check out the historic red fence along Quay Street, once a strict barrier between the city and its industrial port. That wraps up the first part of our comprehensive Auckland walking tour. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll head uphill to explore the lush greenery of the Auckland domain. Thanks for walking with us through the beautiful City of Sails. See you in the next part. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.